Morning, children. Previous class, we start the chapter Be Calm in Crisis. So now we are going to continue this chapter Be Calm in Crisis. As we know that the kingdom want to attack on the opponent country and he was to conquer that kingdom. So he decided to moral boosting of his soldiers. So for the boosting of his soldiers, he prayed to the God. Now after the prayer, the king said to his soldiers, "Now we will try to know what our destiny is. I will toss a coin. If it is heads, it will mean that we will win. If it is tails, it will mean that we will lose." Saying this, the king tossed a coin. When the coin fell on the ground, it was heads. All the soldiers felt encouraged and their morale was boosted. They believed that victory was theirs. Full of vigor and enthusiasm, the entire army attacked the neighboring kingdom. A fierce battle took place till the sunset. Finally, the king and his army defeated the opponent and captured the kingdom. At night, when the entire army was rejoicing at the new fort, a minister of the king said, "Your Majesty, the coin made us know that we were destined to win." At this, the king laughed and said, "We are the makers of our own destiny. If we depend on fortune, we can never succeed in life. The coin I tossed had heads on both of its sides." Seeing this, the king showed the coin to the minister and ordered him not to disclose the secret to anybody else. The minister was stunned and was looking at both the heads, faces of the coin again and again. So, children, we learn that we are the makers of our own destiny. When we work hard and act bravely, fortune always favors us. Moreover, moreover, the story also reveals that the king had all the qualities of a good leader. He was a courageous and confident. The king was courageous and confident. The king was optimistic, wise and intelligent, considerate towards his soldiers. These all of the quality it has in the king. king. Calm in nature and had presence of mind, kind and polite, truthful and honest. Children, if you cultivate the above qualities within yourselves, you can also lead people on the way to success. In case of crisis or an emergency situation, when people lost their head, they make a bad situation becomes worse. Always keep your cool in all circumstances. Don't panic. Don't become excited or nervous. Use your intelligence to take wise decision. So today it is enough for you. Thank you.